I am Abhishek Kokate. I'm the client advisor at the Brisk Infosec. So today's whole discussion, the whole Q&A basically is focusing on website security. Today, we are joined by our founder, Arul Silver Thomas. The first question which I want to ask Arul to you is, what is website security? Can you please explain us?
Good question, Abhishek. Respective of the website security, it is a backbone of any business. And take example, any small company and small and medium scale industry looking forward to have the website. For example, samosa shops having the website, tea shops having the website. Ultimate aim is they want to attract the customers and they want to create a brand in the internet world. Based on that, they want to attract the investors and they want to expand their business. This is apply for every business. For any marketing team, websites are the forefront for their marketing material. So they want to have the good contents and good information and all, then only they can get a lot of business. Okay, so in this case, right, because you want to grow your business and it is depends on your website. What happened, because now the day-to-day the attacks are increasing and day-to-day hackers are increasing. So what happened, somebody hacked your website and it has gone bad front of your investor, front of your customer, in the sense the moment itself you will lose your reputation. They may be having the bad thought like these guys are not worried about their digital assets and their brand image and how I can come and invest, how I can trust and I can buy some services from them. Like these are the questions will come. That's why we are more pressurizing each and every customer. Like, please understand, website security is really important. You have to take it to have the good business in the over the period of time.
Thank you so much, Arul bro, for that amazing clarity. Now that brings me to the second natural question. Most of the time I speak to the people, they say, why should we worry about our website? The simple reason being, our website is loaded with static data. There is nothing dynamic about it. So why should we worry about website? Arul, what do you think should be the answer?
This is a good question, Abhishek. Yes, I often receive such kind of questions, so I should be answered for that. We have to see that in the different angle, the same question. I have a static website only. Why should I worry about to secure it? Okay. So the moment the website security matters, we have to more worried about two different terms. First one is a business reputation. Second one is a brand reputation. Business reputation, which is like you can pumping a lot of money and you can pull good people, you can build a product, or you can build a product and you can say you can secure some of the investment as well from angel investors and you can do your business. It is about in the beginning stage, right, everyone having the great idea, they can create something which is a business reputation. When it's coming to the brand reputation, the same business, how they are offering the services to their customer, to their clients, to their partners, how their management team is working, how their business development team is working, and technical team is working. Based on that, based on this, the brand reputation would be matters. These brand reputation, right? It has a lot of a lot of points which is not directly connect with the business related stuff. It is like website is one of the major stuff. Websites are forefront, as we already discussed. So the moment the websites are not secure, if something was happened, somebody hacked, when your reputed customer come and visit the website, or they are seeing some bad news about your website to any of the news channel, the moment itself you are getting damaged of your reputation. And facing the customer after the attack is really a hardest part. And even though it is a legitimate reason or wrong reason, whatever it is, even though the fake news also, so it is a really a hardest part. Bigger to build the reputation, the business reputation, to build a brand reputation, we are taking this many years and we are doing all those things. Then why should we take some of the risk which is very minimal to provide the better website security? That is the question. So we have to think in that way, and we have to see this website security as a ROI, return on investment, which is not directly give you the impact, but indirectly it will add a lot of
Thank you
benefits.
so much, Arul, for that in-depth understanding and reflection. Whether your data is static or dynamic, especially if it's even more static, website security is really, really important, because once it's gone, your image is dented in the market. Thanks so much. I am sure the viewers and the listeners who are listening to us today, watching us today, could get intense clarity on, even if you have a static website, you should definitely go for website testing. Now, that brings me to the third and the natural question. We're talking about reputation. Now, my question to you is, Arul, does reputation matter in business, and why does it matters?
Reputations are ultimate for every business. Initial days, you are trying to get the business reputation based on your thoughts and based on your services. But over the period of time, everyone want to become so big, right? That so big concept will come when your brands are more visible, and the brands are getting recognized in a different good occasions. Based on that only the business reputation will come, and after that the business will not sell based on the services you are providing. It would be sold based on the brand. So it will also do a better job against your competitor as well. So building reputation is really matters. That's why we should not give any single chance to our competitors or to bad actors to damage our reputation. So I would say the reputations are very, very important for every business, and these reputations are purely depends on your website as well. I just want to highlight one of the small story. I hope everyone remember about the Sony cyber attack. So it was happened years back, and you do remember there is a Sony mobile was there, Sony laptop was there, and Sony games, and it was a really a famous one, and it was so famous before the attack. The moment one attack was cyber attack was happened, cyber attack was launched against Sony by North Korean hackers. After that, they lost great reputations. Because of that, they lost so many deals, and so many the bid was cancellation, and they just 2 years only, they are just recovering from the attack, and they are rebuilding their business and all.
Thank you so much, Arul, for that clarification about reputation. Reputation is everything, right? Once reputation gone, it's gone forever. So thanks so much. Now let's move on to the next question. Now, this is a very common question. I think you also would be coming across very, very commonly. Business owner says that on my website, Abhishek, there is only static data. The question is, who would be interested to breach my data? What are they going to get? Because it's just a static data. There's nothing more to it. Now, what do you say to such business owners?
Great question, Abhishek. Because when it's coming to static data, yes, I do agree it is not a valuable data, but everyone, as a common people, everyone have this question. As a cybersecurity person, I need to answer for your question. You have to see that. So in the cybersecurity domain, everyone knows now the cybersecurity booming a lot of students are learning cybersecurity, lot of students are focusing on the ethical hacking, PG degree, UG degree, and it's not always possible people can practice everything within the lab, because it is open, the internet is open. Internet is, they will use as a lab. They will go to the Google, they will put some queries, Google queries and all. They will identify all the vulnerable websites. They will try to attack. What happened? Your website is among that. It is not a targeted one. And it just for the learning purpose, the script kiddies, we are calling it as a script kiddies. They have identified the Google query. They put this in a search engine. They got your website. They are attacked in the sense, if they get success, it's not going to end over there. After that, they will share with their own friends. Their own friends would be again practice. This will go as a cyclic loop. You may not be able to recover your website at all. You will be having full of bad data in your website. So these are the problem will come. And hacking is not only happen only for the money, it is also for a fun. First thing is, like, when it's coming to the website, it is not owned only by you. Take example, Brisk Infosec. So if we have a website, it is not owned only by Brisk Infosec. It has a lot of dependencies. First dependency is who is actually developed that website. Whether their developer is aware about the website securities and develop security practice and all, that is the first dependency. Second thing is where we are hosting that website. Now people are having the mindset like, hey, if I host in any of the reputed cloud environment, they will take care of the security. My website cannot be hacked. Like often we are receiving the information from the customer. That is also wrong. Third thing is people are thought that if they have a HTTPS in their domain, in front of the domain name, SSL certificate, integrate with their website, it would be more secure. Nobody can hack. That was the thought from them. And so these are the three misconceptions. Okay. So in this area, any one specific area, the data is leaking, like whether hosting provider side or the developer side, anywhere it is leaking, or even though when they are updating their website, if it is handled by the same developer or different developer or one of the person from our own team and about their security knowledge, these are the different dependencies are making security more questionable on the website. Security is not a one-time implementation. It is not.
Thank you so much, Arul bro, for making understand why website owners should understand and never compare the price of creating website versus the price of security, because securing your website is more and more important than just creating. So that cannot be compared. Now, that brings us to the final question of today's Q&A or conversation. And the final question is, how is Brisk Infosec here taking right steps, or what are the steps being taken in order to protect the website security? How is happening here? Can you please give a little bit of spotlight on that?
In a Brisk Infosec, we do provide a website security assessment, like a traditional way, like a manual security assessment. Now, lot of online tools, you can see online tools are available in online, and you can directly sign up for the website security, and you can do a number of scanning and all, and they will provide the results and all. So with this, we could identify there is a big gap in the specific offering. The manual security is missing. It is only about the scanners are inbuilt in the backend. They just scan whatever they know. It is just showing. So to overcome that, we come up with the concept called websitepentest.com. It is exclusive for website security assessments, and anybody want to have a website security assessment, they can sign up with us. It is not going to be the one-time assessment. It is going to be the 1 year support. We have 3 different plans out there. The cost is very minimal. We are just with the small cost itself, we can able to provide manual security assessment, quarterly vulnerability assessment, and threat intelligence report for them, and blacklist monitoring, and spam monitoring. Like all those information we are doing it, and we have a separate portal for that. That portal access also we are giving to our customer, so they will be having the complete control, and they can have a complete visibility what they are going to get. So that's the ultimate the best service, I would say. Anybody interested, they can directly go and visit websitepentest.com, and you please reach us as well. We are ready to guide you and help you to understand what is the type of reports and everything. We will get it. And this specific service, right, we also open up for our partners who already providing the IT service, and if they want to provide the same kind of services on their brand name to their customer, we have the option for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.